Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling a moral story. In my channel I am telling Indian moral stories in English. Sometimes I am telling some stories in Telugu as well, which is my own language. This video is about barrister Prakasham Pantulu. Andhra Keshari Tanguturi Prakasham Pantulu is a well-known leader. On his name, Ongole district was named after Prakasham district. He acted as a chief minister to our state. He was a renowned selfless people's server. During his chief minister tenure, he didn't allow to spend people's money. He led a simple life. He is like an affectionate friend to the people. Prakasham, born in a very poor family, studied under the street lights with concentration, passed in first division, went to London on his own caliber, got first class even in the barrister degree. Prakasham gave importance to morals and honesty. He was on the justice side. If he would accept a case, the opponents would lose their hopes on their success. He wasn't greedy. When a case of property between two brothers came to him, he compromised them peacefully. Similarly, in another case, Prakasham refused to argue, though he was offered a huge money. He didn't allow the petitioner to injustify his friend. He didn't take up the cases without justice. That was the British time. The upper court can change the judgment of the lower court, but the judge had no power to impose punishments. Then a critical case came to Prakasham. He accepted the case and argued, coding the different sections, bombarding the court hall. The opponent lawyer argued nominally, but surprisingly, the judge gave judgment against Prakasham. This was happy occasion to his foes. But Prakasham was not discouraged. Though he was advised to go upper court, he wrote a letter to the law college where he got the law degree, giving the details of the case. Seeing his letter, eminent jurists observed the case and supported the Prakasham's argument. Hence, the judge's judgment was cancelled and he was suspended. Prakasham earned the name as efficient lawyer and donated all his property for the India's freedom and praised by Gandhiji and Nehruji. The British had sent Simon Commission and on the Indian National Congress orders in Madras. Indians conducted a procession giving slogans, Simon go back. But the British soldiers conducted firing and charge. One person was killed. Prakasham stood before the guns and shouted the soldiers to shoot him, showing his chest. From then he was called Andhra Keshari. Prakasham, though worked as a minister and the chief minister, he earned nothing for him. The barrage constructed on the river Krishna was named after Prakasham as Prakasham berries. Moral of this story is selfless leaders are the path makers to the coming generation. I hope you like this story. Please subscribe Novita Creations. Please like and share our videos. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get more notifications in the future from Novita Creations. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.